Hi, I'm Paul Malvoni. Today we'll be doing a recipe with turkey burger with Velveeta cheese. Turkey is 90% lean and a little healthier for you than ground beef. To prepare our caramelized onions, in a sauté pan, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 soft bouillon cube, and cook until golden brown. In a large bowl, add 6 to 8 ounces of ground turkey, put 1 teaspoon of an all-purpose seasoning, mix well, and form your patty. On a grill or a sauté pan, cook your patty well done until at least 165 degrees. Add your sautéed onions, a couple of slices of the Velveeta cheese, and let that cheese melt evenly throughout the burger. To prepare your toasted buns, add a 1/2 teaspoon of butter to each half. Spread evenly, place face down on the grill or a sauté pan until golden brown, approximately 30 seconds. Little trick in the cooking process is to add a little bit of water to the grill, cover the burger, which will create steam and help cook a little bit faster. Once the cheese is melted, take your patty, place it on the bottom portion of your bun, put some lettuce and tomato on the top portion, serve with a side of sweet potato fries or your favorite side dish. As you can see, the Velveeta cheese gives a nice spread and a nice creamy texture.